Buenos noches, buenos dias. As you can see today, we are getting straight into today's U-part wig installation. And I'm really just trying to discover, is it possible? Can you wear a U-part wig with a pixie cut? Now I'm just quickly showing you the first impressions. So the box, what you get inside the box, the unit, and the clips as well inside of the wig. And when I tell you guys, I was actually amazed. I was really kind of worried, like, can I finesse this? Can I make this work? But as long as you've got a bit of length at the top, you'll see you're good to go. So now I'm just literally parting my hair, covering the U-part wig where I've clipped it on. And I did use heat, but every time I have worn this unit so far, and I will give an honest review, I haven't actually used heat. I've just wrapped my hair down, made sure it's nice and flat, sprayed it a little so it doesn't move with some hold, and then woken up in the morning, refresh the curls if need, and go. So yeah, there really wasn't much to say. I was really like, my hair's short, I just cut it, I regret cutting it. Should I have done that? Can I wear wigs and weaves? And this video is a testimony to say, yeah, you actually can. Obviously, you may have to do a bit of work at the top to conceal your hair, and depending on how short your hair is, you might have to leave out a little more, but I always try and leave out as less or as little hair as possible. Now, because I feel like layered hair always frames the face nicely, it's always good to kind of give some layers. It just adds a bit of volume to the hair, in my opinion, when you're curling it. I went ahead and tried to add some layers, but I don't know what I was doing. I'm not a professional. I was just checking this out or trying this out, and then once I was happy with that, I pretty much went in and curled it. Now I will say, in all honesty, the curls do not hold. You'll end up with, you know, like straggly waves at the end. The curls do not hold, but given that it is a straight unit, it's probably better to wear it in a straight look. But yeah, I was pleasantly surprised. I might actually get another one of these and do a bob. What do you guys think? Because if I can do a side part, then I don't see why I can't do a bob. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Comment down below or like this video if you think I should do a bob next, because my sewing skills have gone through the drain, and I don't know. I just feel like it's good to switch up your hair every so often without doing something too permanent. I'm always trying new styles, so I can never really commit to a sew-in. It's a lot of tension on my head temporarily, but U-parts, they're busting. My previous things were clip-ins, but it's just too much work because you've got to insert the singular tracks each time. And even if you sleep with them, which is not recommended, it's just a lot more work. Whereas a whole U-part, that's a whole sew-in ready to pop on, clip on. I know some people do clip their sew-ins, sorry, not clip their sew-ins. Some people do actually sew their U-parts in, but because it's a U-part wig with clips, I don't really feel the need to do that. And if you're having issues with grip, what I do is I just go in with the Ghost Bond spray, or is it Bold Hold? I go in with the Gots to Be. Gosh, so many names, so many products, I'll be getting mixed up. I go in with the Gots to Be glue, spray that on my part so it hardens, and then clip my clips in. Now, I don't know if that causes damage or tension, but I find that it helps. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It was super quick. If you like this video, let me know. And if you want to see a bob, comment down below. Adios. Thanks for watching. Bye.